My name is Sigawuke from SANEDI. I'm the project manager for the electric bus DBSA project. So today we are at the uYilo summit, and key takeaways for me was actually looking at other African countries that are adopting the electric vehicles and how we as South Africans we need to bridge the gap. So I think the first point that we need to really focus on is actually shape the supply mechanism by ensuring that we localize the entire value chains and also focus on manufacturing incentives, and also support and collaborate with private and also public entities in order for us to roll out the infrastructure. So I think the last point that we can look at is more on stimulating the local demand. So those are the key points that I took from today's session. Thank you.